Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Trader's Dynamic Index Indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Trader's Dynamic Index Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 536 indicators, with 229 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Trader's Dynamic Index Indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so with this particular indicator, let's see. So what we're looking for is when we get a cross of the both the lines, so the red and the green line at the same time, crossing up above the center orange line, then that is a signal to go long. What we're also going to do is we are going to look for a continuation style, and so what we're looking for is if both the red and green line are above the center line, the orange line, then what we are looking for is the red line to dip below the green and then come back up above the green line, and that will be a signal to go long as well. And the opposite on the reverse side. So when we get a cross of both the green line and the red line below the orange line, then that is a signal to go short. And when we are when both the lines are below the orange line, what we also look for is the red line to come up above the green line and then cross back down below the green line for another short signal opportunity. That's what we're looking for. I hope that all made sense. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this, and we'll take a look a little bit more of what we're looking for. All right, so the first signal that we picked up was a short signal. We were over here. Both the lines were below the center line, below that orange line. And we get a cross where the red line bumps up for just a minute above the green and then crosses back down below. So that's a short right there. And you can see that price action pushes down right there, getting us to take profit. We then get a similar setup right here. Same thing. Both the lines were below the orange line. The red bumps up above the green and then crosses back down below right here. Again, another short, and it barely gets us to our take profit, but gets us there nonetheless. Then over here, we pick up a long signal as we get the red line that crosses up above the orange, and then slightly delayed a little bit later, we get that green line that also crosses up above. And so that's going to be a long signal right there. Almost immediately, though, price action pushes down and comes down and stops us out on that one. Then we get a short signal right here as both the green and the red cross down below that orange line, and almost immediately price jumps straight up and stops us out on that one. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Back here so that way we can get everything in focus. Got a lot of trades in 1 year, so that is decent. Let's count them out and see what we got out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So we have 30 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So that is 60% right on the nose there. Yeah, an interesting indicator. It gave, like I said, a lot of trades in a year, and was able to do it with a 60% win rate. And so that is definitely a decent achievement all around. And so I wish it had a better win rate right at 60%. But again, if we were able to just kind of filter out some of these choppy losing trades there, then increase the win rate a decent amount on this, then it can do really well, still maintain a good amount of trades within a year. So all in all, a relatively decent indicator. This one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.